Good morning, it's Miss Deetz, and I have a science experiment to do with you today. And this is Charlie. He's going to be my assistant since he's stuck in quarantine with me. Do you think I am a mean teacher or a nice teacher?
I haven't been in your class.
I mean at home, while we're at home.
Stern.
A stern teacher. Alright, today we are going to be doing an experiment to see if oranges can float. Do you think the orange will float? No. Why do you think it will not float?
Because it's too heavy.
It's too heavy. Alright, we have a bowl, or you could use a vase. We have a pitcher of water, and we have an orange. We went ahead and peeled our orange to make it faster in our video, but you can do it however you want. If you just want one orange, that's fine. You just have to peel it in between. Alright, can you fill up our bowl? Alright, now place the orange with the peel. You think it's going to sink because it's heavy?
Yeah.
Let's see. And it does what?
It floats.
It floats. Why do you think it floats?
Because I think there's air pockets in it, and when you put it in the water, all the air comes up to the top. So then it's like.
All right, we'll see. What about the one without the skin? Do you think it will float?
I think it will sink.
Why do you think it's going to sink?
Because there's no air pockets.
Because there's no air pockets. All right, let's put it in there and see what happens. Did it sink or float?
It sinks.
It sinks. All right. When you have an object in water or liquid, you have two forces working on it. There's buoyancy, which is what makes things lift in liquids. And you have gravity, which is what's pushing down. So when you put something in the liquid, you have buoyancy and gravity sort of pushing to see which one is going to win. And something floats if it displaces enough water to let the air come up. That is not exactly scientific in the way I explained it. But the buoyancy lifts it up. And Charlie was right. An orange peel has little tiny pockets of air that when you put the peeled orange in the water, lift it up and make it float. When you remove the peel, those air pockets aren't there anymore, so it becomes more dense and it sinks. And that's why an orange with a peel floats and an orange without a peel doesn't. Try it at home. See what your results are. Have a great day.
Snack time.